Hi everyone, Joe Levine here, professional photographer and educator. Image capture is just one aspect of crafting a photograph, and another is our processing. This video takes a very quick look at my typical workflow. Whether working in Lightroom Classic or Capture One, I always begin with my raw file processing. I'll do the tonal range adjustments, probably a little contrast work. In this image, I chose to do a little bit more color work in some specific areas of the kind of the orange and also the blue tint. Now, once I'm happy with that, dive over to Photoshop and complete all my retouching using a variety of different tools. Generally, I'll zoom into about 100, 200% and systematically go through the entire image, looking at all quadrants, completing all the retouching. Now, sometimes I'll do a little bit more global work. In this image, that was completed, so I decided to go ahead and dive into local work. I wanted to enhance what we saw inside the sunglasses with that warm glow on the bridge for the nose and also the glasses. I also added in a little dodging and burning, both brightening some areas, but also darkening some areas, very typical to what we traditionally did in a dark room. Now, after that, needed a little extra color work in there, painted a little color in, and then I did a little bit more contrast work into some other areas. So getting close to being done, I decided that I wanted to add a little bit more bump to this file. So I added a little bit more contrast and also adjusted the hue, but I did use a layer mask because I didn't want that to happen everywhere. And then the final step would be, let's compare the before and after and see what we have.